If you're thinking about buying 3DCoat, you're probably asking yourself one question. Is it actually worth the money in 2026? Because let's be honest, there are more 3D tools than ever before. Blender is free. ZBrush is still the industry standard for sculpting. Substance 3D Painter dominates texturing. So where does 3DCoat fit in all of this? Is it an underrated powerhouse? Or is it software that's slowly being left behind? 3DCoat is used for sculpting, retopology, UV mapping, texture painting, and some modeling or rendering tasks in one app. In practice, people use it to make game assets, characters, props, hard surface models, and to clean up scan data or prepare models for 3D printing. But here's the problem with almost every review of this software online. It's either written by someone trying to sell it to you, or by someone who used version 2019 and never touched it again. So before you believe anything you watch, including this, let's look at what's actually true right now. 3DCoat is popular because it combines several stages of the asset pipeline in one place. So you can go from rough sculpt to finished textured model without switching software as much. Its 2026 release also added a GPU node-based texturing system, procedural materials and masks, and texturing while sculpting, which makes it more powerful for material work. It is especially useful if you want a tool for character sculpting, retopo, baking, and painting, or if you need a companion app alongside Blender. For beginners, think of it as a model finishing tool. You create the shape, clean the topology, unwrap it, and paint it for production. Now the price. A single license runs around $380 at a one-time purchase, or roughly $20 a month if you'd rather subscribe. Even with this entire new feature set, the core price didn't move this year. Compare that to the constant subscription creep coming from certain other software giants, and that's going to matter a lot if you're a freelancer watching every dollar. The truth is that 3DCoat is powerful, but it can feel messy and inconsistent compared with more polished industry tools. But, and this is the part most reviews conveniently skip, 3DCoat has real problems. Longtime users report crashes, exports that occasionally get corrupted, and an interface that somehow gets more cluttered with almost every update instead of less. Push it to extremely dense meshes and performance falls apart. This is not the most stable software in its category, and it's not going to pretend otherwise. So the honest verdict, for pure high-end sculpting, ZBrush still wins. For pure texturing, Substance Painter still holds its own. But for retopology and UV mapping specifically, 3DCoat is genuinely ahead of both. And if you're a freelancer or a small studio trying to avoid running 3 separate subscriptions, this one program might replace all of them at a fraction of the combined cost. If you're specifically chasing a job at a studio that lists ZBrush or Substance Painter as a requirement, that's worth factoring in before you buy. If you're still learning the basics of 3D, I'd honestly recommend sticking with Blender for now. Blender already gives you modeling, sculpting, UV tools, rendering, animation, and much more for free. Until you reach the point where Blender's workflow is slowing you down, there's no reason to rush into buying another application. Many beginners make the mistake of thinking a new piece of software will magically improve their work. The truth is, your skills matter far more than your software. Master the fundamentals first, then invest in specialized tools when you know exactly why you need them. So, is 3DCoat worth buying now? I'd say yes, but only for the right person. If your work involves sculpting, retopology, UV mapping, and texture painting on a regular basis, it's still one of the strongest tools available and can significantly speed up your workflow. But if you're a beginner or you're still exploring different areas of 3D, Blender is more than capable of taking you a long way before you need specialized software. Don't buy software because everyone else is using it. Buy it because it solves a problem you actually have. That's usually the smartest investment any 3D artist can make. If you want the real, no-hype breakdown on tools like this, not just spec sheets and affiliate links, subscribe because that's exactly what this channel keeps doing. Now I'm curious, have you ever used 3DCoat, or are you thinking about buying it? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience or answer any questions you have. And if you enjoy honest reviews, career advice, and practical tips to help you grow as a 3D artist, make sure you subscribe. I upload new videos every week to help you make smarter decisions, improve your skills, and build a successful career in 3D. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.